Okay, to fix a leaking thermostatic valve, or sometimes in this case the temperature wasn't working, it was either staying completely cold or completely hot. So all you'll need is a replacement valve for your model. This one was on eBay, about 45 euros I believe for this one. And the only tools you'll need: vice grips, medium flathead screwdriver, and coffee. Okay, so now before I start, now I've depressurized the system. So the water's been isolated. There should only be a very small amount of water coming through, but just in case, if you just turn it on, release any small little bits left. Okay. Now the first thing to do, bit of a leap of faith, hold the handle on this one and quick, sudden pull. There you go. And then that will release and show, you've got a little screw here. It's a bit tricky one-handed, sorry. Let me try and focus a bit better. So once you get it started, you can hand unscrew it, and then just pull out by hand. Put it somewhere safe. This should just pull off. Keep that somewhere safe. This then is easier to pull off. You can get it off with the two handles, but it's much easier when one handle's removed. Just again, just put it somewhere safe. Coffee. You'll be left with something like this. Sometimes if you take the plates off here, there's isolated valves left and right, but on my particular model there is not. So I'm just going to remove this chrome cover plate. There you go. Now, then use a screwdriver just to wedge in. Can you see that? Pull out and drop it on the floor, and that's it. All it is. This will just slide off now, all going well. Doesn't look to be in bad condition, but the part that's broken is the actual valve and this one. So now use the vice grips on one of these, don't bother going onto that. Now, if it's been a while since you've removed one of these, or if it's been sitting for more than 5 years or say, rather than try and push this down, if you make a fist and just hammer, it will break it down and it'll be easier to open. And then I should unscrew. It's quite tight. I need these vice grips to help. Now you normally get quite a lot of water come out here at times, and if you hear any hissing, don't worry about it. It's just some air escaping from the system. Okay. Now this one was cleaned before, and it did improve a little bit, but it's still not good enough and it needs to be replaced. You can hear the air escaping there now. Okay, so coffee. Get the valve, remove the cap, protection cap. nice and shiny. This has already got the cap on actually there. Now we're going to, I'm just going to put it in a little bit. Sorry. But I'm just going to take that clip off there now because I can't tighten it properly without doing that. So, clips off. That comes off, hopefully. Okay. Okay. Now, I'll get a bit more. It's easier to tighten there now. Okay. I'm not a believer in going super tight in these, so just that's it. Maybe a tiny bit more. Okay. Now, I'll put this back. I've cut myself or something. And then put the clip back. And all the clip does is just holds that black piece in place. There we go. Now, you might need to do a bit of adjustment here. So, in theory, that should now be watertight. So before I close anything off, I'm just going to turn the water back on there now. Couple of valves, can't see them now. Every system's different anyway. Open and half a turn on. No leak, that's a good sign. So I'm just going to hold this here now. Noises in the background are just the other bits and pieces filling with water again. So turn it on. There's fine. There's no leak from the valve itself. Just going to see if the temperature works there now. Warming up. Okay, let me see if I can make that warmer. Yeah, works. Okay, let me see if I can make it cooler. Yeah, it works great. So now I can turn the water off again. No need to turn the mains off anymore, that's fine. And so we put the protective, oh no we don't, sorry. Oh no, yeah we do. We put the cap on here first. There we go. It's caught on something there now. There we go. It's caught on the clips here a little bit, so let me just pull those back. A little bit. Won't take very much. There we go. That's it. Sorry, I've caught myself on something. Then you put the cover plate back on. A bit of pressure on it, and that's it. It's only a pressure clip. Now, on this one, that is set to cold, so I'm going to put that there. Just check the position a little bit. Again, sorry about the blood. So slide around, click. Yep, I'm happy with that. So leave it there. That goes back in. Oops. This goes in, just hand tighten really. And then when it's there, just do a tiny bit. That's it. Handle on, again remember leap of faith. Get it roughly in position. And then, okay, and then use the towel, give it a bit of a clean. Remove my blood, wherever I got that. Turn this tab over here. That goes back. Job done.